Hi guys, today we are going to talk about great airdrop opportunity that even CZ talked about. And one of them is Sign Airdrop benefits. It says zero cost daily earnings, monthly returns comparable to previous alpha activity, and these kind of things. As you can see, we are going to download the Orange Bind X daily check-in and community task. Guys, I have put a link to this project in the description of this video. You can join easily, and of course it will have some bonuses with you entering a referral code both for you and the one who invites you. And here you can see badge of honor in this section. The more orange you get and the more you are active in this project, the more badges you can collect. So here is their Twitter account of the Sign project. It says home to our Orange Dynasty. So this is the Sign project. This looks like Forecaster. You come here and you can post just like Twitter and Forecaster. People come and join you and they can like and retweet. It doesn't have retweet actually, but you can give orange, and they say that these oranges are going to exchange to real tokens and real money. So let's go on. So in order to verify yourself, you need to just come to this section of says verify. Okay, and here we can get verified. If you have BAB token already, you can connect your wallet and then you can verify. Just click on connect wallet and you can choose MetaMask. You need to sign a message which needs to connect to the website. Just click on connect. We can use this orange for performing giveaways and finding more followers here. And the more orange you have, the more tokens you can earn in the future. And also there are some tasks that if we do those tasks, we can get more orange. So let's go on and do those tasks. So first of all, we need to go to our profile section. Now click on the edit, and here you can see my nickname, and you can see that my Twitter is connected, but my email is not connected. So I'm trying to connect my email first. Okay, I'm uploading my new picture. You can upload it too and save it. All of these counts as an activity. And for the email verification is under maintenance. Try to connect it later, and you can write a bio about your channel like this. After that, you have signed in and also done everything about your bio and your nickname. Then you need to come to this section and check in just like this. Okay, this says listen. You don't need to listen. Okay, you can lower the voice of your device, and then you need to click the button below saying that I'm seeing the signs, and it says success. You have 1 day streak, and you can fix your streak. It says streak repairs are now limited to 2 days ahead. Stay on track, and it will need 80 orange. And here you can see I have got some orange section. You can verify yourself with Binance or with Passport, or you can do it with NFTs and more. Then you need to interact to get orange. You can go to the new posts that people have posted. This is the top one here, and like, and you can also give orange if you want, and you can write comments just like this. I like this comment. Okay, like this, or you can add something else if you want. Then you can come back and you can go to the bounty section here. It will give, for example, this one is going to give us 550 orange. Just like and follow, just like this. Okay, so I'm following her, and I'm gonna get some orange for following her. And here it's a like and follow, and let's share this among 3 individuals, and they have put their referral link on the post. You don't need to do that. You can do, okay, just follow them, and here, and you can give orange for the people. For example, 1 orange. I'm giving 1 orange. If you or not, okay, you can choose to just like it, and it says that I'm going to give 200 orange to 10 signees. Okay, and this one you can like, and you can give orange for them if you want. You can send now. Okay, and you can see here that who has given orange to them. One guy gave 20 orange, one gave 1, and I gave 1 orange. And just like this, you can comment, and then you can go back and do it. 6 winners chosen. Okay, this is done. This is active. Okay, and it has 1000 orange. I think this is great. And you can give orange just like this. For this one too, it's a follow, like, and comment. I'm giving orange. Maybe they choose me. Okay, and here we need to. I'm bullish. I followed you. Okay, just like this. And here, that's it. That's it. Okay, and let's follow him. Just like this. Okay, and he has 2000 orange already. And you can look for the other things and for the active ones, and follow them, send them orange. But don't forget to verify your account first, because if you don't verify your account, you will get nothing. And always come here on daily basis and hit this button there. I have given away, I think, 4 orange, and this one shows how many orange. And I'm number about 100,000 people have signed up, and here are the top earners. You see, one guy has about 500,000 orange. That's a lot. But as we go down, okay, number 200, for example, has only 27,000, and this is great. Okay, this shows that there are not many whales in this program. You can come to the Sign official section, and these are the posts with the Sign itself about the Sign app, and you can just like them too and be active. Let's go to the other part here. You can post, you can create a post, okay, just like this, and talk about anything that you want, or you can share with your build, okay, project name, project link. For example, I'm going to put the link of this video in the builder post, just like this, and you can add a cover, description, and all of the sections should be complete, and then you can post. And this next section is X content. If you have posted something on X, you can put the link here and comment if you want, then post. And the last section is bounty. You can give some orange to the people who are participating in this post, and you can add description and create a cover. And if you want, you can invite some friends. Just come to the invite section and copy and send it to your guys, and they can join to this app, and it will have some benefits for you and your friend. And don't forget daily check-ins. Most of the apps, they care about daily check-ins. And also verify yourself. Guys, don't miss the new updates about projects. Just subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. See you guys, and bye bye.